guys, today I'm unboxing the security camera. So let's open it up. Okay, so here is the camera box. Let's open this up. You'll see there is a guide to get you started. That QR code you're going to scan to download the app you need to use with your phone. And then you'll see that we have all of the cords and a mount, and then here's the actual camera. I'm just going to go and take the plastic off both of the lenses. And real quick, I just want to show you, if you lift up the lens, you'll see this is where the reset button and the SD card would go. Okay, and you'll see that this is a mount that you can use if you'd like to put it on a wall. And then this is the cord, you're going to plug it in. So this is what it's going to look like on your phone as you set up your camera, and you can see it was just successfully paired. Okay, so now you can see that my camera is working. You'll notice there's two separate screens. So this is great. There's two cameras on the actual security camera. You can change the view of the top one so that you can look around, or you can look at two places at once. So this camera is really helpful if you have pets or children. You'll see that I was using it for my dog, and now I'm also using it to watch my son. You can move the top one, so I'm actually going to keep the one camera on my baby, and then the other camera I have on the doorway, so you can see what's going on from two different angles. Also, you can choose to click full screen on either camera, and you can see it full screen, so it's easier to notice what's going on. And lastly, it has a really good night vision in this camera. If someone you don't want in your house enters the monitored area, the camera will actually sound an alarm, which will scare the intruder away. And at the same time, it will send you an alert on your phone so that you know what's going on.